Hi guys. So if you like and sub, well, give you this, which is like 6 trillion. How much is this worth? 6 trillion.
What?
And then this will also give you this if you like and subscribe. And comment down your username down below. And did you guys seen this? Mine is only like this tall. And yeah, so this is a 3.5% chance to get, so it's really good. It like wets the plant, and then a wet plant, they will turn it into like, what is it called? Bloodlet. Yeah, bloodlet. So it's pretty good. What did you get? I have 2 Zen seed.
Yo, give me the one candy blossom with and little money in here. And 150 only. With the
Oh.
5.
Oh, what is this?
Mexico.
What Mexico?
Mexico. Hey, there. There. Yeah, Mexico. That's
Nah, ain't no way. Yo. Oh yeah, it is. So like
maple apple. What the?
maple apple.
Yeah. Maple apple.
So yeah, guys, and wait, let me. Say hi. Say hi, Marvy.
Say hi, Marvy.
Okay, so this is our classmate Marvy. And yeah, so for those who want pets, comment down your username and I'll give you it. I trade in my red fox. And yeah, so 1 minute till the later. 30 seconds till it starts. Okay,
good.
Good.
Really patient of seal.
Nothing good and stuck. I'm in the sky and frozen.
Hi, get ready, boy.
Yes.
Get ready, boys.
Oh, wala to.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm
1.
a guess.
Happy New Year!
Oh, has come.
No!
What? Zen
I
8.
did it!
Oh, but still, there's you can get more. Chill. Transfer.
No.
So, I've done that. So, where else? So, if we get Kitsune, maybe I'll give it to one of you guys. I'll pick the winner. And yeah. Why can't I? Yeah. Watermelons are really good for this. Oh, bruh, what the hell? It's okay, it's okay. You know what I noticed? Like they need to do it like faster a little bit, just a little bit. But like this speed is already okay, but they could make it faster. So like more happens, not just less. So yeah, right, Tom?
Yeah.
Rock your bottom.
Here we go.
Not saying to dog to restore its hunger.
Rock your body.
Come on, rock your body.
Rock your body.
Come on, rock your body. Come on, rock your body. Oh, I'm faster. Race. No, in no way.
And no way this will. Faster snow.
And yeah, so yeah. Come here to my garden. I like to follow it so I can immediately pick it up when it spawns. So if you, that's a good strategy. So you can know which is strong. But you also have that, what is that called? I forgot. But it's like a Trackwell radar. Only been 3 minutes. So what the?
Fast. Naya.
There's Zen egg. Ooh.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Zen sand na. Zen seed pack.
What is that?
Zen. Oh, Toro flower.
Wait. To the flower. That's a little.
So Zen egg. And yeah, guys.
Yeah,
So
a little bit. A little bit.
41.
Polar
no?
bear.
My dog is 45.
Yeah.
What if it gets huge?
Me?
Mutation. I'm checking every single one.
Oh. What?
Check the seeds. Oh.
In your eyes.
Smile.
Oh, almonds.
Okay, so there's basic.
Advanced.
Oh, advanced.
I forgot the
And then every part of me you step in. my way. I'm in the best place in the season. I don't know what to say. I'm in it, cause I don't know where I belong. Cause I don't know where I belong. Cause I don't know where I belong. But I can write a song, Tell me, family, I don't know where I belong, but I can write a song. Yeah, you belong with me. I belong with you in my sweetheart. You belong. I belong with you in my sweetheart.
Here. I see forever in your eyes.
I see forever in your eyes, wishing yourself the wishing the time to turn the tide. Yeah, so Zen egg. Like, I wish I could get the, what is it called?
What?
Kitsune. So
I don't know.
So we could give it to you guys. I see forever.
4 hours. It's an aura.
And later, like, we'll make our spider, like, we'll try to find spiders, and then, like, we will vlog of it, like spider fighting.
Yo. Dika.
Yeah, Daika.
You died. In blood. Right?
I don't, maybe.
Take this plan. Oh. Yo, I need it. I need it. Stop. I reclaim this sunflower. I reclaim this. Disclaimer.
It's done.
Yes.
So yeah, see. Let's see.
I just want to trouble this ugly face icon. Where's my shovel? Yeah. Okay, bye. This sunflower. Frank. the light, let's see the light, let's see the light. Where I live. Give me that candy blossom.
Later.
Now,
Later.
I'm the little money. Where are you? What you got, buddy?
Wait.
Look, isn't
100% lock Zen seed pack. What did you get?
I don't know.
Moon melon. Wait. So.
Yo, where are you, bro?
I have a lot of medium treat.
Rally. How does this suddenly see? Carrot. This red fox. Nah, you're gonna get it.
Status.
This mini is so big. It's huge. Huge.
No.
Mhm. Look at your screen. This so small.
Why did your money drop so fast? Yes, get it. Where are you?
It's 5 trillion.
Yes. But the other one that I'm going to give you guys is the same price, but it's in a different account. So yeah. And if the reason,
What did I say? This is.
please, Red Fox, I'm kind to the viewers. I
Boom! Baya! Bumba!
gave you
Bumbaya! Laga bumbaya! Laga bumbaya! Laga bumbaya! Laga bumbaya! Okay, bye!
I already gave you, but you lost it. I'm sorry. The other ones is for my viewers. So
Sorry, Marby!
sorry, Barbie. I'm sad today.
I'm sad today.
Sorry. Please.
What is this?
And yeah, so